All right, let's now check in once again with meteorologist Braden Seal. Braden, happy Tuesday. It should be a pretty decent day across East Texas. You said tomorrow is when those rain chances are really starting to increase, correct?
Yeah, good morning. We're looking at rain chances, especially tonight into tomorrow. Those are going to be when we see our best chances for some of this rain. But this morning, things are pretty quiet out there. We're not looking at a lot going on. And here in Tyler, we have some cloud cover this morning and temperatures right now that are sitting at about 73, winds south at about 8 miles per hour. And as we check out the satellite and radar picture, a few clouds over into East Texas. But as we go back off to the west, that's where we find some of our activity this morning across portions of western Texas. Nothing severe out there, but definitely still some storms as you head west of the Dallas area, west of Interstate 35. And as we check out those rain chances, they're going to be on the increase. Later today, about a 20% coverage, and then that increases to 50% as we go into Wednesday. And then we'll have at least isolated chances that continue as we go into the weekend. Here's a look at Futurecast as we go through our day today. Most of us will be dry, and then later on this evening, some storms get going to our west. Most models show these storms weakening as they make their approach to East Texas, but still likely bringing us at least some rain. And then we'll get a little bit of a break before more storms try to fire as we go into our Wednesday afternoon. Also, here's a look at those rainfall totals, and it appears we'll be on the order of 1 to 2 inches here over the next 7 days. So not expecting a ton of rain, but certainly still a good amount as we go over the next 7 days, with the highest totals that are going to be across the northern half of the area. That's where you're going to find the best rainfall here across East Texas. And then going towards the middle of the month, we'll continue to see above normal chances for some rainfall, as well as above normal temperatures during that same time frame. So things are going to be warm and unsettled likely as we go into the middle of the month of June. So here's a look at those temperatures this morning. We're in the 70s across most of the Lone Star State. That includes us right here into East Texas. A mild to warm start to our day, humid as well. Lots of moisture is in the air. And here's a look at those highs as we go into this afternoon, climbing up into those 80s, maybe even near 90 once again. And then by tonight, we'll get those lows down into the 70s before climbing right back up to the mid to upper 80s once again as we go into our Wednesday afternoon. Also, if you've noticed, we've had kind of a haze in the sky the last several days, and that's because of the Saharan dust out there, and we've got more of that on the way that is going to bring us more of those conditions heading into the weekend. So not done with that dust just yet. So here's a look at that forecast today. Partly cloudy skies, 89 degrees, some storms as we go into the afternoon, and then by tonight we'll have a chance for some storms. And then looking at your 7-day forecast, things increase by Wednesday, 50% coverage, and then 30% on Thursday, and then some stray storms possible as we go into the weekend. And then across deep East Texas, a little bit lower in terms of our rain chances, but they're still with us. 95 degrees is that high temperature heading into Saturday. Nolan?